of a kind. Let's do this, bud.
That's it? 3 guys?
2 guys on the roof. Everybody gets a share. 5 shares is plenty.
6 shares. Don't forget about the guy that planned the job.
He thinks he can sit out and still take a slice. I know why they call him the Joker.
So why do they call him the Joker?
I heard he wears makeup.
Makeup?
Yeah, to scare people. You know, war paint.
Alright, everybody. Hands up, heads down. I said hands up, heads down, bud. Let's go, bud. I'm making a withdrawal here. Hey, bud, I said hands up.
No. Here comes the silent alarm, and there it goes.
I said heads down, bud. Alright, you're taking a dive with me. Down. I said stay down there.
That's funny. It didn't dial out to 911. It was trying to reach a private number.
Is it a problem?
Nah, I'm done here. Oh!
Sit down. Down. I said stay down there, bud. Obviously, we don't want you doing anything with your hands, so hold on for dear life, bud.
You're on the ground. Stay on the ground. Nobody make a move. Nobody. Stay down.
You have any idea who you're stealing from? You and your friends are dead!
He's out, right? Where did you learn to count, bud?
They wired this thing up with like 5,000 votes. What kind of bank does that?
It's a mob bank. I guess the Joker's as crazy as they say. Where's the alarm guy?
Boss told me when the guy was done, I should take him out. Well, let's share, right?
Funny. He told me something similar, eh?
No!
That's a lot of money. If this Joker was so smart, he'd have had us bring a bigger boat. I'm betting the Joker told you to kill me as soon as we loaded the cash.
No. I kill the bus driver.
Bus driver? What bus driver?
School's out. Time to go. Guy's not getting up, is he? That is a lot of money. What, like, happened to the rest of the guys?
Think you're smart, huh? The guy that hired you, he'll just do the same to you. Criminals in this town used to believe in things. Honor. Respect. Look at you. What do you believe in, huh? What do you believe in?
I believe whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you stranger.